How to make your own iodine salt. Iodize, yes. How to make your own salt just with one ingredient. You see those salt when you buy for supermarket, for for big market. This is how they make it. I don't want to mention any products. I don't want to mention any name of brand, but this is how they produce, how it is being made. It is very simple. I know some people be sitting down there cursing that, like saying that I know salt is very cheap. You can get salt as low as 150, the lowest 200 naira. Yes, and you can get that salt for that kind of amount. Some people will see be saying that, hey, because of 200 naira, I should go and call myself. Okay, now continue. Yeah, continue. After watching this video, you can decide to start your own business, salt making business. Stop complaining. Yes, you just do these procedures. Go printing machine, make they print, make they do everything for you, and you're good to go. You go to the supermarket, you become a very big salt seller. How to make salt is very simple. All you need to do now to carry your body. You get carry it, you want carry and go beach. You see that beach now, there go now be your money, or now there the salt there. Carry and go back beach, go fetch water. You know what I like about this baby? Say they dry. Even if all the whole world, when I mean all the whole world, go Nigeria or go USA, go UK, if all the whole world gather together, go they fetch 100 million liter. My darling, it will still not dry. The beach will never dry. Beach dry. If I hear. So you just carry go fetch water, carry and go out, come they do these procedures, and you are good to go. It is very, very simple, not stressful. See, let me tell you something. Even without you doing it, you can use the same water to cook. Yes, you can use it to cook. There was a particular day where I ran out of salt. I forget, say I no get salt. And time don't go. I needed to cook that particular meat that time. You know what I did? I run. Go carry rubber. There's one particular small rubber I had that there's barbie water inside. I know some of you be asking, what are you using barbie water to do? But keep that out your side. Yes, I put small aside food, and my food tasted good. Yes. So you people should stop telling me, is it because of no. I'm doing it because of those people that want to start business. Make your own salt, and you know what you are using, So if you like this video, the highest you can do to appreciate me is to say, Efex, boom, just like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media platforms. The same name. It does not change. Drop comment. There are some people that are so stingy, very stingy by with liking, with dropping comment, with even sharing. If you don't like it, some people might like it. So please, I beg, just share. So get a touch, make money. Chop